The Walk for Animals is Animal Humane Society's largest fundraiser of the year, and it's the one time of the year that we ask our supporters to reach out to their networks to help fundraise to support Animal Humane Society's mission. The event this year is Saturday, May 4th at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds. We expect lots of Star Wars themed costumes and things like that, given the day. And the doors or grounds open at 9 a.m. The actual walk starts officially at 10, but people are welcome to walk the route anytime. It's a 1 mile loop around the state fairgrounds, and then the grounds will close around 1. We have lots of fun activities both along the walk route and kind of back at the headquarters for the event. Live music, dog games, a pet costume contest, a vendor village with community partners and pet-related businesses, lots to do, and of course, delicious food trucks. So Walk for Animals is our largest fundraiser of the year, and every dollar that's donated goes directly back to supporting our mission and keeping people and pets together. So a lot of people know Animal Humane Society as an adoption center where you can come and visit with animals and adopt your next pet, but we're really more than a shelter. We operate 2 low-cost vet clinics, one in Golden Valley, one in St. Paul. We have lots of training classes, education programs for the kiddos. We do humane investigations all across the state. So every dollar that comes to us goes directly back into that mission work to help animals and people here in the Twin Cities and across the state of Minnesota. This is such a special event for us because it's amazing to see the community support for the work we do here. This is really hard work. It's emotional, it's physically taxing if you're working directly with the animals. And so to see so many people come together to support the work that we do here is just amazing. So registration is open now. People can sign up and start fundraising all the way through the event in May. So you can do that at walkforanimalsmn.org.